In this video, we're diving into TikTok Shop Analytics and how to use data to identify your best-selling products and optimize your store's performance. What's going on, everyone? My name's Eric Hunsaker, and on this channel, we cut through the fluff to help you make smarter business decisions. Today, we'll walk through the built-in analytics tools in TikTok Shop, explain what metrics matter, highlight the platform's limitations, and explore additional tools that give you a competitive edge. Why TikTok Shop Analytics matter. TikTok has evolved from a social media platform into a massive marketplace. Sellers can reach millions of potential customers through live streams, short videos, and the dedicated shop tab. But without data, you're kind of driving blind. TikTok Shop Analytics provide insights into video views, conversion rates, audience demographics, product performance, and post-purchase behavior. These metrics show you what's working and what isn't, and where opportunities lie. Armed with this information, you can adjust your content strategy, refine your product listings, and invest your marketing budget where it counts. Accessing TikTok Shop Analytics. TikTok Shop Analytics are accessible through TikTok Studio, an all-in-one dashboard for sellers. To access your analytics, you need to log in to your TikTok seller or TikTok Studio account. Then navigate to the analytics in the menu. Choose a time range that you want to analyze, whether that's daily, weekly, monthly, or custom. Filter data by product, video, live stream, or campaign. The interface is intuitive, with charts and tables that display metrics such as views, orders, revenue, and conversion rates. You can also export data to CSV files for more detailed analysis. Key metrics to track. Let's break down the most important metrics available in TikTok Shop Analytics and why they matter. Product Analytics. Product Analytics show how individual products perform on the platform. Key data points include gross merchandise value, or GMV. This is the total value of orders placed for a product, including unpaid or refunded orders. This metric can be misleading because it doesn't reflect actual revenue. Focusing on net sales, which is GMV minus refunds and cancellations, provides a more realistic picture of performance. Orders and units sold. Orders count the number of transactions, while units sold count how many items were bought. Compare these metrics to identify products frequently purchased in bulk. Conversion rate. The percentage of viewers or visitors who purchase. A low conversion rate may indicate issues with pricing, product images, or descriptions. Views and click-through rate, or CTR. Views show how many times that your product was displayed, while CTR indicates how often viewers clicked the listing. A low CTR could mean your thumbnail or title isn't compelling. Add to cart rate. The ratio of users who added the product to their cart after clicking through. A high add to cart rate but low purchase rate might signal friction in the checkout process. Marketing performance. TikTok Shop Analytics track the performance of your marketing campaigns, including paid ads and organic content. Key metrics include impressions and reach. How many times your content was shown and how many unique viewers saw it. Video views. The total number of views across videos promoting the product. Watch time is a strong indicator of engagement. Follower growth. How many new followers your store account gained during a campaign. A spike in followers after a particular video suggests content resonance. Conversion by traffic source. Breaks down the conversions by live stream, in-feed video, profile page, or external links. Post-purchase data. After a sale, TikTok collects data on customer behavior. Return rate. The percentage of orders returned. High return rates may indicate quality issues or mismatched expectations. Reviews and ratings. Customer reviews influence future sales. Negative reviews can lower your product's visibility in the algorithm, so respond promptly and address issues. Average rating score. This is a numerical representation of customer satisfaction. You want to aim for above 4.5 out of 5. Traffic sources. Understanding where your buyers come from helps you allocate resources effectively. TikTok Analytics categorizes traffic into live streams, which are purchases made during a live shopping session. In-app shopping. These are purchases from the shop tab or product pages. For You page, or FYP. The home feed where videos are recommended to users based on their interests. External links. Traffic from outside TikTok, such as Instagram or maybe your website. Growth metrics and trends. So growth metrics track overall progress. Monitor these trends to gauge your store's health. revenue over time. This is the total revenue for a selected period. Customer acquisition rate. How many new customers purchased from your store? Repeat purchase rate. The percentage of customers who placed more than one order. A high repeat purchase rate indicates strong customer loyalty and product satisfaction. Service quality indicators. TikTok's algorithm monitors seller performance by tracking service quality indicators like delayed fulfillment time, cancellation rates, and negative review rating. Exceeding threshold values such as delayed fulfillment order of 4% or higher, cancellation rates above 2.5%, or negative review rates over 0.69% can lead to lower search rankings or reduced traffic. So keep your fulfillment process efficient and respond to issues promptly to maintain good standing. Interpreting data. Going beyond the numbers. Metrics are only valuable if you know how to interpret them. So here's how to turn TikTok Shop analytics into actionable insights. Identify best-selling products. Look at GMV and units sold to identify your top performers. But don't stop there. Calculate net revenue by subtracting refunds and cancellations. A product with high GMV but high refunds may not be as profitable as it appears. Consider variables like conversion rate and CTR to understand whether strong sales are due to high visibility or high conversion efficiency. Spot underperforming products. Products with high impressions but low CTR may need better thumbnails, titles, or price points. If the click-through rate is good but the conversion is low, the issue might be in the product detail pages, such as unclear descriptions, poor images, or shipping costs. Compare your product content to your top performers and identify what can be improved. Optimize marketing campaigns. Analyze which traffic sources and content formats drive the most sales. If live streams generate a higher conversion rate than static videos, allocate more resources to live shopping. Test different video lengths, hooks, and calls to action. Compare results across campaigns to refine your creative strategy. Improve customer retention. Monitor repeat purchase rates and post-purchase metrics. If repeat purchases are low, engage customers through follow-up emails, loyalty programs, or exclusive offers. Address any negative reviews promptly. Customers appreciate when sellers take responsibility. Balance inventory. Use sales velocity and conversion data to plan inventory. Avoid overstocking products with declining trends and ensure sufficient stock for fast sellers to prevent missed opportunities. Consider seasonality in marketing calendars when forecasting demand. Limitations of TikTok Shop analytics. While TikTok Shop analytics offer valuable insights, they have limitations. Articles on TikTok Shop analytics and cross-border e-commerce point out that the platform doesn't provide comprehensive data on trending products across the entire marketplace or competitor insights. You can't see what products are booming for other sellers, leaving you without a full view of market trends. TikTok also doesn't reveal deeper customer intent signals, such as why someone clicked but didn't buy, or provide detailed breakdowns of demographics beyond basic age and gender. So the analytics dashboard lumps together gross merchandise value and doesn't automatically differentiate between completed sales and unpaid orders. Without adjusting for refunds, you might overestimate your revenue. Finally, TikTok Shop analytics are relatively new and they may lack the granularity of more established e-commerce platforms. Creating a data-driven workflow. To make the most of TikTok Shop analytics and supplementary tools, establish a data-driven workflow. Here's a suggested process. Set goals. Define what success looks like, whether it's increasing sales by 20%, improving conversion rates, or launching a new product line. Clear goals help you focus on relevant metrics. Collect data regularly. Schedule weekly or daily reviews of your TikTok analytics dashboard. Export data to spreadsheets or integrate with third-party tools. Analyze patterns. Look for correlations between content and performance. Identify top keywords, hashtags, and video styles that resonate with your audience. Form hypotheses. Based on the data, hypothesize why certain products or campaigns perform better. For example, you might suspect that videos with customer testimonials convert better. Test and iterate. Implement small experiments. Change your video hook, adjust pricing, or tweak product descriptions. Measure the impact using analytics. If the experiment works, scale it. If not, try something else. Refine inventory and marketing. Use sales and conversion data to adjust inventory orders and marketing spend. Double down on best-selling products and profitable channels. Tips for maximizing TikTok Shop success. Here are actionable tips to combine analytics with practical marketing tactics. Craft compelling product titles and thumbnails. Your product's first impression matters. Make sure that titles are clear and emphasize unique selling points. Use high-quality images or short videos that showcase the product in action. Avoid cluttered or misleading visuals. Leverage user-generated content. Encourage customers to share videos of your products. UGC acts as social proof and can be repurposed in your own marketing. Tag and feature these customers to build community and trust. Schedule content strategically. Use analytics to discover when your audience is most active. Post videos and host live streams during those times to maximize views and engagement. Consistency is key. Regular posting keeps your products fresh in the algorithm. Collaborate with influencers. Partner with influencers whose followers align with your target audience. Influencer collaborations can boost product visibility and credibility. Track the performance of each collaboration using custom discount codes or affiliate links. Offer time-limited deals. Limited offers create urgency. Use analytics to identify slow days or times when engagement drops. Then run flash sales or promo codes to stimulate demand. Make sure to publicize these deals in your videos and live streams. Provide excellent customer service. Reviews and ratings influence your algorithm rankings. Respond promptly to questions and issues. Positive customer interactions often lead to repeat purchases and word-of-mouth referrals. Address negative feedback with empathy and professionalism. So TikTok Shop Analytics give you invaluable insights into your products, marketing campaigns, and customer behavior. By understanding metrics like GMV, conversion rates, reviews, traffic sources, and service quality indicators, you can make data-driven decisions that elevate your store. Remember, the numbers alone won't grow your business. You need to interpret them, form hypotheses, and take action. Combine TikTok's built-in analytics with external tools to compensate for the platform's limitations. Keep an eye on industry trends and never stop experimenting. So if you want to get started with some TikTok ad credits, we've got a special link for you down in the description. When you click on that link, it's going to bring you to this page right here, and it's sort of a spend X, get Y type of deal. So if you spend $200, you get $200 back in ad credit. Spend $500, get $500 back in ad credits. Spend $1,500, get $1,000 back. Spend $6,000 to get $4,000 back, or spend $10,000 to get $6,000 back. So there is a time frame on this, so you have to use the promotion period is within 30 days since your registration. If eligible, the ad credit will be applied to your account in 1 to 7 days after the promotion. So if you want to get started with those TikTok ad credits, be sure to click the link down below in the description. Now, this is an affiliate link, which means we do earn a small commission when you use it at no extra cost to you. And these commissions really help support the channel and allow us to continue to create free content just like this. So if you end up using it, we thank you so much in advance. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Here on the channel, we're dedicated to helping you succeed with e-commerce by providing tips, strategies, and insights to grow your online business. So be sure to subscribe. But other than that, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you here in the next video.